Hey guys, it's Brooklyn
and Lakin,
and today we're going to do something we've never done before, and it's the exploding biotin pill. They can't see you, they can't see you. Sit down, sit down, sit down. They can't see you. Okay, these biotins, we've tried it once. I was about to get a drink. I was about to use a pill for my hair, and then I grabbed it and I was like squeezing it so tight, it exploded, and I was like, and it got on my face and all over my hand. And
this is mine, and there.
And then a pencil sharpener.
It's in pencil
and
sharpener.
I'm just gonna get it out of the biotin pill. Don't worry, we got these yesterday. Taking 3 is not gonna harm it. This is.
And here
Okay,
it is.
so I'm gonna go first, exploding it. Okay, it's just gonna be.
I have an easy exploding.
Okay, and go. Hasn't exploded yet.
I'm using a pencil.
Yeah, cheating. It exploded.
Ew.
Oh, that's so gross. Look
Now
at
it's time.
it. It looks like saliva.
Okay, now you go.
Oh, it's so gross.
Okay, go.
I'm gonna throw it in the trash. Now it's her turn to explode. The biotin pill.
Biotins! Biotins are super duper good for you.
You can only take 1 a day.
Yeah.
Because I read it on there. And it said, you might, okay. Exploding biotin pill.
I'm gonna do it in here.
You can't see it. Hold it up.
Ew, the guts.
Hope you liked it. Bye.
Bye.